Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable Meta AI for Messenger. In order to do so, first off, we are in Messenger, and as you can see, I have Meta AI enabled. And up at the top left-hand corner, you're going to see a new search function for asking Meta AI a question. So if we just click on that, then we can begin a conversation with Meta AI, and it will then show up in your chats. If it's not showing up in your chats, then what you're likely going to need to do is upgrade Messenger. If you're not seeing Meta AI up in the left-hand corner, then there's a good chance that you haven't updated the app yet. And so, what you're going to need to do is if you are on iOS, then you can go to the App Store, and from there, you can search for Messenger. And here you can see Messenger and it says open. If we needed to update it, then that should say update. The other reason that you might not have access to Meta AI is because it's possible that it is not available in your area yet. So that is something that you might need to look into. If you're unable to update and you cannot see the option, then it's possible it's not available in your location. Otherwise, your next option would be to uninstall the app and reinstall it, but that might be your last option. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.